Hey guys, it's Angela, and for today's video, we are going to be dyeing my hair. We picked a brand new color with a brand new brand, so we're going to check it out and see how it goes. As you guys may have seen in my last video, I cut and bleached my hair once again so that I can go back to a fun color. I do not like my natural hair color. I mean, it's okay, but having fun colors in my hair is just so much a part of who I am now, and I just love it. So this is what my hair looks like after I bleached it. You're seeing this on a different day, but I filmed everything in one day. So yeah, so we are trying a new dye. This is from the brand Cool, and it is Cool Funny Colors with coconut oil. It is, let's see what it says here. It says a UV solar filter and collagen, semi-permanent hair color. And then let's see, I read something interesting on the side. Oh yes, right here. It says ammonia-free, pre-lighten hair to the right level, apply directly, no peroxide. So that is exactly what we're gonna do. And
Mommy,
for today,
it's dark outside.
yes, I know, honey. I'm filming, okay? And for today, we are going to reveal our new color. I am not going pink. The box is always pink. My new color is going to be,
Hello.
Say hi, Kylie.
Hi.
Red. Whoop. It's funny colors, and it's red. I know it looks kind of pink on the camera, but it is a bright red.
Oh, it is bright.
Yeah. Hey.
Hi.
Okay, but stop. Thank you. So I'm going to dye my hair red, and I figured for the holidays it is the perfect color to do. I've never had my hair this color before, so I am quite nervous, but we are going to check it out and hopefully everything goes well. All right, so here is the tube out of the box. That is what that looks like. Did it focus? Yes. Okay. All right, and we are going to go ahead and see what it says on the back. Oh, it's the tiniest print in the world. Yay.
Wait, I can read it. I'll read it.
Yeah. No, it's okay. It just says the same thing as the box. Look at that. Is that not the tiniest print ever?
How I read it. It's a glittery tube. That's
I know, it's really hard to read, but it's really pretty too.
See, I don't. Now I don't want to throw it away.
Yeah, it's definitely metallic and glittery, so very pretty. Nice packaging. All right. Yeah. So I guess we're just gonna get started. I am going to stretch out the color a bit. Kylie? I am going to stretch out the color with a bit of conditioner. Not too much. I don't want to dilute it a lot. I don't want it to come out pinky. I want it definitely to come out red. But I do want to save some because Michaela is also doing her hair. So I want to have enough for both of us. She's only doing half her head though, so we should be good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by putting some white conditioner in my mixing bowl. Okay, I only put about that much for now. And I'm gonna squeeze some of this dye in here. All right. I've only used about a third of the tube, if that. I don't think it's even a third. Just to start and see how it goes. Here is the bowl. Just to mix that up and see how that looks. Okay, you're gonna hear Kylie singing in the background. And Mika's making her some noodles. Because Kylie loves her noodles.
I'm sure you can see me in frame.
All right, so it looks like we have a good start here. I'm definitely gonna need more, but whatever I have left over is going into Michaela's head, so. And I'm still gonna save some just in case we don't have enough. All right, so this is the mixture. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more of both.
Oh, this smells really good.
It does smell very nice.
I think it's gonna be enough for you, Ed. That is a big tube too.
It is a very big tube. But I'm adding a lot of color, and I still have plenty left.
Yeah, that'll be enough for me.
Oh yeah, for only half your head, half of the top of your head. We're good.
I look like a flower.
They only had one tube left at the store, otherwise I would have bought two.
Oh, that's why. Okay, I was like, wait, what? Okay.
Yeah.
I look like a flower in the meantime.
Oh yeah, we bleached her roots so that we could re-dye it.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm mixing this up really good, making sure the color is well distributed into the conditioner. It's still very pigmented. All right, so here is my dye mixture, nice and red. And I apologize for the lighting. It's evening time. It's dark outside. It's only 6:30. What time is it now? 6? Something like that.
6:02.
Yeah, 6:02 p.m. and it is already practically dark outside. So, all right. So I love the way the blonde came out, but I do want a fun color. So we're gonna go red. Goodbye, blonde hair. Here we go.
Hello, Joy.
Huh?
All right, the color is in my hair. I'm just gonna let it sit and process for an hour, something like that. And I'll be back when I wash it off so you guys can see the final result along with me, and then we will blow dry and see what it really looks like. All right, guys, I'll see you in just a little bit. All right, guys, it's time for the big reveal. I have not looked. I just put the towel on my head and left the bathroom. So let's see what my hair looks like.
Oh, he's not. Yep.
Kyle's playing video games in the background. So he's actually playing with a streamer right now.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Hold up. Oh no. You diluted yours.
No, darn it.
Why?
You diluted yours than mine. Mine's gonna be so red.
This is red. What are you talking about?
That's red.
Yeah, I didn't dilute it a lot.
And I diluted mine even less.
Oh my gosh.
I might have. I don't know.
That is gorgeous color. Nice and bright.
Let me get you the mirror. That's supposed to happen.
Thank you. Holy cow. Alright guys, I'm gonna blow dry just to see what it looks like, but there's the color. There's a patch of brown that didn't bleach for some reason, but kind of blends in, so it's alright. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and I'll be back in I'm gonna blow dry and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Country ass.
Alright guys, so here is the finished color. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I personally love it. I think it's a beautiful bright color. The dye was easy, it's even, it's not splotchy or patchy. And I will definitely be trying more colors from this brand. This is gorgeous. I'm very, very happy with the results. And
mine is still wet.
we're dyeing the front of her hair green and red like her sister, and it's still wet.
It is still it.
Yeah, we haven't rinsed it out yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you haven't already, hit that like button down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What color I should try next. I love you guys, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.